This video is for grade 7 from your long answer review package. So these are the ones that you have to show all of your work and that they're out of 10 marks. So as anything that you're able to show, you should write it down, because even if you get the right answer, if you didn't show anything, I can only give you 1 on 10 for your answer. Okay? So we're gonna write down as much work as we can. So it says, in the Dynasty Hotel, there are 15 floors above the main lobby. The hotel also has an 8th floor underground parking garage below the main lobby. To get to the first floor parking, you press the P1 button in the elevator. To get to the second floor parking, you press the P2 button. So those are floors underground. Those are like negative numbers, and the floors above ground are the positive numbers. Okay, it says Mary is staying on the 5th floor and parked in P4. George is staying on the 3rd floor and parked in P7. Who is closer to their car? So I'm going to just give myself a little bit more room to where I'm supposed to show my work down here, and I'm going to draw a diagram for myself. So it said that there were positive 15 floors above the main lobby. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 0 as my lobby. Okay, I'm going to go up, make a number line for myself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll write those ones for myself. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's 15 floors. It also said that as you go downwards, we have a parking garage underneath the lobby, and it specifically said the first one is P1, and it goes all the way to P8. So I'm going to write P1, P2, P3, P4. You could write all of them if you want to, but you can just write 5, 6, 7, 8 to P8. Okay, you can't really see what I'm writing anymore underneath there, but I'm just going to work on the side here because we don't actually, oh yeah, we do need to go to P7 for one of them. So I will make a little bit more room so that you can see what I'm doing, okay? So if I'm reading from the question above, it said Mary is staying on the 5th floor, which would be here, okay? And she is going to P4, which is this one. So this is kind of like the question that we saw with the fish and the bird, where you're comparing above ground and below ground. So we were looking at sea level before, but she has to get from this 5th floor all the way to P4. It's asking us how far away is she from her car. So how many floors is she going to go down to get to there? So she's 5 away from 0 in this direction and 4 away from 0 in this direction. So I'm actually just going to write, you can count them on here and just like add them up. But what I'm going to do for Mary is I'm going to do 5, because she's positive 5 above ground, plus 4, because once she crosses the lobby, she needs to go down by another 4 floors. So Mary is 9 floors away from her car. All right, if you look, same thing for George. It says George is staying on the 3rd floor, so 1, 2, 3. So this was M and M for Mary. George is staying here, and it says George is going to P7. So he's going all the way down to here. So again, he's 3 floors above ground, and he's going to 7 floors underground. So I'm going to add those two numbers up. 3 plus 7. That's how many floors he has to travel to get to his car. So he is going 10 floors. So 3 plus 10. So it was asking who is closer to their car. And you should, on your exam, you're going to have a sentence that's already written as your answer, and you have to fill in the blanks. But really, Mary, is closer by 1 floor. Okay, that would be my final answer. So she only has to go 9 floors to get to her car. George has to go 10 floors to get to his car. So this is a normal integer type question that you would have to do as a long answer. I could do with sea level, could have to do with temperature, anything like that that we've looked at where you have positive and negative numbers, and we've done many review questions like this in class.